Last week we worked on the user login functionality and the authentication of the data. Thanks to Microsoft ADC for their patronage, we've seen to it that every learner have an internet access and a solar power supply. Let me show you. We have the inverter and the battery. We have the Wi-Fi. I'm actually charging my laptop. We also have the solar panel. It was installed here. But everything is working very well. Thanks, because this has enabled is collaboration between team members and has contributed to the success within the past 2 weeks. Thank you.
You can see we have now an appointment that is belonging to Dr. Felix and patient James, and that is all. So this is an example. This is a route. This is a query that creates a schedule, and let me just click on the data. Okay, this is a sample route that is going to create an appointment, and in this case we have a date of 20/06/2020 and the time is 9:30. So if you click on send, this query returns the appointments of this specific doctor. So this is the ID of that specific doctor, and this doctor has got 2 appointments. Actually this query is running on the local server, and it's saying that the status is success, the is out of schedule is true, and conflict true. This one means that there's a conflict. The time that this patient has entered is conflicting with one of these appointments, and you can see over here. So we'll now be implementing this one in the front end.
We will have pictorial first aid guides to guide anyone and everyone to perform first aid at the click of a button and be able to be guided through that. We will also have a book appointment, and with this comes the feature of storing a patient's history so that it can be centralized. Regardless of the hospital you're going to, you can just request for your information and your doctor will be up to date with your medical history. We will also have a symptom checker. Are you suffering from weird symptoms and you do not know what this is? Just input your symptoms and we will analyze them for you and give you the output, and then you can make an informed decision. You can also find chemists using our application, chemists near you, whatever time you need your medication.
The team is doing well. We are up to speed. We are on time with our project, and this could not be so if Microsoft East Africa could not put efforts to provide us with something like this. So this MiFi has been very good. It came in handy during this program, and I couldn't have done it without it, because internet connection, getting access to the best internet connection to work with, it's not that good. Then with the intermittent power interruptions here and there, again, that could have been a problem, but guess what, we are all sorted with this. So this is the solar on the rooftop of my plot, and my battery currently is full, and I'm happy with that. In case there is any power intermittent, I just switch to the battery and I'm good to go. So I have to say that this is very good and we are happy to be using them. All my team members have said that it has come in handy for them too, and thank you so much for providing us with this. Thank you.
Working on improving our health assistant. So for example, we have integrated Voice, which is a machine learning based service used to build natural language into applications. We have also been working on our clinic web application, which is going to be a medium through which hospitals and clinics are going to gain access to patients through our platform.
This is some of the code for the clinic web app. These are some of the files that are in the application.
Week 2 was much more relaxed. We were able to do much more work, and we're looking forward to finishing our project on time and building something great.
it works perfectly most of the time. The devices are working perfectly, yeah, and I'm enjoying the experience. Thank you.
We are basically building a platform that will connect doctors to patients and also patients to hospitals remotely. And this includes things like response to emergency, which is what we started working on. We have some of the team members working on the map aspect, and we are also planning to enable communication between doctors to patients to enable them to reach out wherever they will be, maybe if you're at work or if you're at home. And this now factors in the communication aspect. Therefore, the chats are coming into place where we've started designing the views. We've also done the different dashboards because we need to ensure security of individual users when they log in and also the doctors. So we are building the authentication for that, and that is something we've also been working on this week. So we have two platforms. We have the mobile platform and the web platform, and I'd like to show you guys something small. So over here on my screen, this is a general website dashboard that we built. So here you don't need to log in or anything, but this is what everybody is welcomed with. And then I can show you guys the code that we've worked on. So this is for the mobile platform. So we have the different views that we've already built, the different helpers to enable the authentication and everything. So far the experience has been great. I cannot complain. We've been able to communicate, and thanks to tools like Azure DevOps.
As part of this program, Microsoft was able to give us some few tools to be able to enable us to just have a consistent workflow, and this included a MiFi to just enable us have internet connection, and then a solar panel, and was connected to a battery, so that you can be able to just basically not lack power at any moment in time. It's connected to my PC. So now basically it gives me internet connection to just enable me to have internet all through and not lack internet during this challenge. So that's one of the major things Microsoft did in order to ensure that we don't lack power, we don't lack connectivity.
We have been able to move along quite well. My team and I are able to meet regularly on Teams and have regular updates on our progress, and this has helped us so much, and it has been very helpful for us as a team, since Microsoft provided for us MiFi devices to keep us connected to the internet. We are able to learn and grow as we go.